Sumitra Kamalanathan and welcome back to the session of GE 8291 Environmental Science and Engineering. And it's the second case study in the Green Marketing and Product section. Here we are about to witness how Adidas, the second global leader in sportswear, has partnered with Parley of the Oceans to turn plastic into sportswear. Adidas makes over 400 million pairs of shoes every year. Manufacturing that many shoes requires a lot of resources, but constantly creating new material isn't that great for the environment. So Adidas is turning to a different source. Experts predict that in 30 years there will be more plastic in our oceans than fish, and one study confirms that 90% of the sea birds have consumed some form of plastic waste. All that pollution on the beaches and in the ocean is harmful to both marine life and humans. So Adidas is trying to stop some of this plastic before it reaches the ocean. In 2015, Adidas partnered with the environmental organization Parley for Oceans, their goal to turn marine pollution into sportswear, and they have made huge progress by 2019. Adidas expects to make 11 million pairs of shoes with recycled ocean plastic. That's more than double what it made in 2018. Adidas says that the partnership has prevented 2,800 tons of plastic from reaching the oceans. But how are these shoes made? It all starts from the beach. Parley and its partners collect trash from the coastal areas like the Maldives. The waste is then sorted and the recovered plastic is then sent to an Adidas processing plant. Adidas uses plastic that contains polyethylene terephthalate, commonly known as PET, found in disposable water bottles and plastic waste. And if something Adidas cannot use, like caps and rings, this gets into normal recycling. The processing plant crushes, washes and dehydrates the waste, leaving nothing but small plastic flakes. The flakes are heated, resin dyed, dried and cooled and cut into small resin pellets. Normally polyester is made from petroleum products, but Adidas melts these pellets to create a filament which is spun into a yarn, what they call ocean plastic form of a polyester yarn. Adidas uses this yarn to form the upper part of the shoes and clothing like jerseys. Each item in the Parley of the collection is made from at least 75% intercepted marine trash, and they still meet the same performance comfort standards of Adidas's other shoes. Recycled polyester uses less water and fewer chemicals and helps prevent plastic pollution. Adidas's goal is to replace all virgin polyester with recycled polyester by 2024. Currently, Adidas apparel uses about 40% recycled polyester. You may have seen Adidas recycled sportswear without even noticing it. Clothing made with ocean plastic has been used in college football, baseball, the NHL, the Australian Open tennis and more. But this doesn't eliminate the plastic entirely. Washing polyester clothing can create microfibers which may end up in the oceans again. Adidas suggests that customers wash their clothes less often, use cold water and fully fill the machine each time, but this is just the first step. Adidas is also developing a 100% recyclable shoe called the Future Craft Loop. The shoe is made to be remade because it can be returned and broken down to create a brand new pair. Future Craft Loop is expected to be available in 2021. With the help of Parley for the Oceans, Adidas is using readily available material to manufacture new product, which is a big step towards sustainable future. The making of the future craft loop shoes follows 3-loop strategy. Loop 1 is the recycle loop, making products with recycled materials. In 2015, Adidas partnered with Parley for the Oceans to create the first ever running shoe made from upcycled plastic waste intercepted from beaches and coastal communities, preventing it from polluting our oceans. And in early 2020, they launched 2 new sustainable high-performance yarns made with recycled materials, Prime Blue and Prime Green. Loop 2 is the circular loop where the end of one thing is the beginning of the next. Since 2013, Adidas has been working on creating products that are made to be remade. You wear it out and then you return it to Adidas, upcycles this material before the material can really be made back to a new pair before it can meet the world again and show the same performance. Loop 3 is the regenerative loop, in which Adidas aims to develop products made from nature. Their ultimate aim will be to make products obtained from natural ingredients and or cells or proteins from the laboratory that can ultimately return to nature. Every loop will make Adidas company products a fully circular one. Plastic waste is a problem. Innovation is our solution. Innovations should be our solutions. So Adidas welcomes everyone to join the fight to help end plastic waste. Thank you for listening to this session on green marketing and products. Wish you technological guys out there to step forward and endeavor into the world of entrepreneurship for those interested in executing crazy ideas in combating the fight against plastic.